Today, we'll be talking about Notes, which is a pre-installed app on your iPad. But why use Notes and not some other app? Well, Notes has a built-in drawing option and has easy sharing to a variety of apps, and it has extra safety features. For example, you can lock a specific note with a password. And Notes can be used on a PC, which most pre-installed apps on the iPad can't. So, how do we use Notes, and what's so special about it? Well, why don't we take a look at some of the features of Notes. To open a new note, click on the symbol in the top right corner with a square and a pen coming out of it. I'll be taking you through a few fun features that Notes has to offer. The first thing is that there's a pre-made format for the title and the text, meaning that the title's already in larger size and bold. Meanwhile, as you can see, the text is smaller. Another fun secret is that for to-do lists, Notes has a special place. You can click on the symbol on the toolbar up above, which is a circle with the check mark in the middle, and once you click on that, you can type down your tasks. Now, why is it so special? Well, the thing about this is that, unlike many other apps, it has a special to-do list feature, and once you have anything done on your to-do list, you can click on the circle beside your task that you finished, and it will have a check mark be highlighted as finished and sent down to the bottom. Like this. Another fun feature on Notes is the drawing feature. How do you use the drawing feature? Well, it's also on the toolbar, a circle with the pen tip in the middle, which will give you a toolbar on the bottom that can be moved all through the paper. With this, you can draw in different colors by using a various color spectrum, grid, or sliders. This is how the grid works, and it has pre-made colors for you to use. You can either use your stylus or use this to draw with your hand, and this can be helpful to draw models and etc. on the iPad. Another feature is the eraser. You can erase whatever you draw. This feature of drawing is also known as markup, and it's situated in the iPad Photos app as well. And if you like hand-drawn notes, you can also use this to write. Now, why don't we see another feature? Another feature is share a note, and it's located in the three dots button. And what I love about Notes is that you can share it to so many various apps and platforms. You can also send a copy, which is basically sending a PDF, an uneditable PDF. You can also find words in Notes. For example, if you have a large document and you want to find a very specific word in that document, then this is the way to go. If you search up anything you'd like to use, well, it'll highlight whatever you like or whatever you're looking for. And whichever, as you can see, by is highlighted, and that was what we were searching up. You can also move a note to various folders. These folders are saved in your iCloud, as this is both a pre-made app or pre-installed app on the iPad. You can add lines and grids as well. Grids like this. And lines like this. You can also use a light background or a dark background, whichever feels better for you, and that's one of the cool features that are included in Notes. You can as well scan documents or take images and directly insert them in the note, or you can choose a photo or video from your gallery, like this. And voila, it's here! Another feature is to scan and insert, as we saw in the button with the camera. Another is to pin. For example, if you have something for important access, then no matter which poster or which note you open, then the one pinned will always be right on the top of the list, which is great for easy access. Another thing and feature that most other apps don't have is the lock feature. For example, if you store your passwords in a note, then you'd better lock it. And so whoever has the password to open a certain note will be able to have access, private access to the note. You can also delete a note, like that. And because Notes is a pre-installed app on your iPad, Siri has instant access with it. Just like this.
That's what I figured. What do you want it to say?
So if you ask Siri to type something up in Notes, she'll ask you what you want it to say.
Okay, I created a note.
And you can say
Hello.
whatever you'd like to be typed in your note, and Siri will automatically make it for you. See? It's right here. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new today.